Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. If you're like me and you use a shop vac for dust collection, I use this shop vac with a cyclone bucket. You'll notice when you clean it out that sometimes these baffles can be very hard to clean. They get full of dust between the different folds, and it's really a pain to try to knock that out into your garbage can. One thing that you can do about this is to take a length of old legging, tie a knot on one end, and then use that to cover your filter. Make sure it's still snapped on. What this will do is prevent most of the dust from getting into the folds in your filter while still allowing airflow. So it's much easier to clean the filter and there's really no downside as far as performance. After trying it one time, I definitely am going to do this all the time with my shop vac. I hope this tip helps you keep your shop vacs clean, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.